This is where the magic of drug discovery happens. We've already discussed why AI is changing pharmacy. Now, let's see how it's changing the very start of the process.
Yes, I want to know how AI is helping us in finding a new medicine.
But first, let's understand the problem with the traditional way. Finding a new drug used to be, as they say, trying to find a key for a lock you haven't even built yet, and that key might be among trillions. It typically takes 10 to 15 years and billions of dollars to bring a single drug to market, with thousands of failures for every success.
That sounds incredibly slow and wasteful. What's the AI approach then?
AI transforms that slow, serial process into a powerful, parallel one. It helps us make smarter decisions at every step. It accelerates and improves how we identify disease targets and find potential drug candidates. We need to find the biological root of a disease, like a faulty lock on a cell. This is target identification. Traditionally, it's years of laborious biology.
So, can AI help with that?
Indeed, it can. AI analyzes massive amounts of data. It crunches genetic data, protein interaction maps, and scientific literature from millions of papers. It gradually learns to predict which proteins are linked to a disease. Instead of scientists searching the literature one by one, AI reads and synthesizes it all in a fraction of the time to propose the most promising locks to focus on.
Okay, so AI helps us find the lock. Now all we need is the key.
Exactly. We have the lock. Now we need to find a key that fits it. Conventionally, this involves physical experiments called HTS, high throughput screening. You physically test millions of real chemical compounds to see if they stick to the protein. It's costly, slow, and still only explores a tiny fraction of possible chemicals.
So, what's the AI version?
This is virtual screening, specifically a technique like molecular docking. Instead of doing it physically, we use supercomputers to simulate how millions or even billions of virtual compounds would bind to the target.
So, the AI just gives us a list of virtual keys?
The first hits are often just lead compounds. They're a good fit, but not a great drug yet. Maybe they don't stick tight enough, or they have potential toxicity. This is where AI is really clever, performing lead optimization. Instead of just screening existing compounds, generative models can actually propose changes. The AI learns the rules of chemistry and pharmacology to sculpt the key to bind tighter, last longer, or be less toxic, all virtually.
So, it's not just a search. It's like AI is the world's fastest and smartest molecular architect.
Precisely, it iterates through thousands of optimizations to find the best potential lead.
This all sounds great in a lab like this. Is it actually producing real drugs?
It absolutely is. While you won't find a chat GPT for drugs for personal use, companies are using these platforms right now. For example, in 2020, a company called Atomwise used AI for virtual screening to find an existing drug with the potential to fight the Ebola virus. They did in weeks what would traditionally have taken years. Platforms like Schrödinger's are used extensively in industry and academia for molecular modeling and design.
So it's not science fiction anymore. It's a real, active part of drug discovery. It's incredible.
Yes, the goal is not to replace the scientist, but to make their work focused and data-driven. AI tells us, look here, not try everything. It's a tool that accelerates the pipeline from decades to, hopefully, years, with far fewer costly failures. So, from finding the disease lock to virtually designing and optimizing the perfect molecular key, AI is revolutionizing the very start of medicine.
So we get to faster, cheaper, and potentially more effective treatments because we're searching more efficiently.
You've summed it up perfectly. And this is just the beginning.